Thank you for purchasing the revolutionary NordicTrack Step Climber Elliptical. Assembly requires 2 persons. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. Left parts are marked L or left and right parts are marked R or right. To identify small parts, see page 5. Identify the right and left stabilizers and orient them as shown. Have a second person hold the frame and tip it to the left. Important, be careful not to damage the shields. Attach the right stabilizer to the frame with 4 M10 by 20 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Note, disregard the 2 unthreaded holes in the underside of the frame. Important, firmly tighten the M10 by 20 mm screws. Have the second person lower the frame to the floor. Attach the left stabilizer in the same way. Identify the right and left pedal bases and the right and left pedals and orient them as shown. Attach the right pedal to the right pedal base with 4 M6 by 12 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Attach the left pedal to the left pedal base in the same way. Next, attach the right pedal base to the right pedal leg with 4 M8 by 20 mm flange screws. Start all 4 flange screws and then firmly tighten them. Attach the left pedal base to the left pedal leg in the same way. Press the right rear cover onto the left and right shields. Attach the rear cover with 4 M4 by 16 mm flathead screws. Start all 4 flathead screws and then tighten them. Then insert the accessory tray into the rear cover. Hold the console near the console bracket and route the console wire through the slot in the console bracket. See the inset drawing. Make sure to route the console wire out of the indicated opening. Do not pinch the wire. Attach the console to the console bracket with 4 M6 by 16 mm screws. Start the upper screws first and then start the lower screws. Then tighten all 4 screws. Identify the console lower cover and press it onto the back of the console. Then press the console upper cover onto the back of the console. Do not pinch the console wire. Insert the console bracket into the frame. Attach the console bracket with 2 M8 by 86 mm screws and 2 M8 by 15 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Next, connect the console wire to the main wire. Important, the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wire properly for your elliptical to function properly. Identify the right and left handlebars. Make sure that the pedals are level. Attach the right handlebar to the right handlebar arm with 3 M8 by 25 mm screws. Start all 3 screws and then tighten them. Note, it may be helpful to rotate the right handlebar for better access to tighten the screws. Attach the left handlebar in the same way. Identify the rear and front pivot covers. Press a set of rear and front pivot covers together around the right handlebar near the bend. Then attach them to each other with 2 M4 by 22 mm screws. See the inset drawing. Slide the rear and front pivot covers toward the shield cover. Then attach the front pivot cover to the right handlebar with an M4 by 22 mm screw. Repeat this step on the other side of the elliptical. Attach the front cover to the left and right shields with 6 M4 by 16 mm flathead screws. Start all 4 flathead screws and then tighten them. Plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the front of the elliptical. Note, to plug the power adapter into an outlet, see how to plug in the power adapter on page 12. Make sure that all parts are properly tightened before you use the elliptical. Extra parts may be included. Place a mat under it to protect the floor or carpet. To avoid damage to the console, keep the elliptical out of direct sunlight and keep the included tools. 1 or more of them may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Thank you for purchasing this wonderful NordicTrack product.